Every stack needs to have at least one support point in order to be stable. To define the supports for the stack, go to Geometry and then Supports. Enter the elevation for the support. This will typically be the bottom of the stack. Next, we select the support type. By default, a fixed support at the bottom of the stack will be assumed, since this is the most common support utilized. You can change it to be a pinned or guide support. If you have the ultimate version of MecaStack, then you also have options of guide with gap, guide with spring, and fixed with spring. The software is going to give you errors if you have specified a single pin support, since you would also need to provide a minimum of one other support in order to maintain equilibrium. Our next 6 columns representing the 3 translational directions, Fx, Fy, and Fz, and 3 rotational directions, Mx, My, and Mz. These fields will automatically be populated based upon the type of support you have selected to show which are being restrained. If you have selected the guide with gap, then you will specify the gap that exists in the gap column. The gap represents the space between the stack and support, such that the stack would need to deflect the amount of the gap before the support is engaged and begins provided support. Finally, there is the spring entry, where the user would specify the spring stiffness that is to be provided. The help manual gives some guidance on how to determine a spring stiffness.